Hi, welcome back to another episode of Homezy Recipes. Today we're making pea and quinoa soup. Quinoa soup. Now, quinoa is a pseudo cereal. What does that mean? Jolie, why are you giving us cereal when you know we're all gluten-free or trying to be gluten-free? Well, pseudo cereal actually means it's a fake cereal, which means it doesn't have gluten. So quinoa is actually gluten-free. Now that we got that out of the way. But Jolie, cereal means it's very high carb. Good question, guys. Now, if you look at quinoa in its dry form, it actually has 20 grams of carbohydrate per 100 gram. Now, we are only using 50 grams of quinoa in this recipe, so you don't even have to worry about 20 grams. The whole recipe is gonna have about 10 grams of carbohydrate from the quinoa. And of course, we have a liter of milk and we have a lot of other ingredients, so that's gonna be watered down. However, I would worry about the peas because the peas are not very low carb. The peas we have, they're frozen garden peas, and they have about 13 grams of carbohydrate per 100. And, it has 9 grams of carbohydrate per 100, but we're using 500 grams of that. So 9 times 5, you do the math. And you're not gonna drink the whole soup in one go. Please don't take this as a precaution. Please do not drink the whole soup in one go. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get busy making this awesome soup and let's get started in the kitchen. So we boiled the peas, we cooked the quinoa by frying it a little bit and then boiling it. Now we're just gonna add the avocados, mix everything together. If you have a hand blender, that makes your life much easier. Now we add the quinoa. And I will add just a splash of milk. So now we're just warming up the milk. Pea and quinoa soup with almond milk and avocados. You can taste the mint, a little bit, a hint of mint. I can taste the avocados, I can taste the peas, and everything goes together really nice. One thing I would suggest though is after you've finished cooking everything, just add a squeeze of lemon to it. One, it will keep the avocados from going off anytime sooner. And two, it will allow the soup to taste a little bit soury, which is great. I love it. Enjoy, guys!